Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the handbrake on a Kia Rio. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and properly supported with jack stands for safety. You'll need to access the handbrake cable, which is typically found under the center console. Have your basic hand tools ready, including a wrench, to make the necessary adjustments. This process is straightforward, but requires careful attention to detail. To begin, carefully remove the center console trim. This usually involves a few screws and clips, so take your time to avoid damage. Once the trim is off, you'll see the handbrake lever and the cable assembly. Locate the adjustment nut on the cable, which is the key to tightening or loosening the handbrake. Make sure the handbrake lever is completely down and disengaged before proceeding with any adjustments. Now, with the adjustment nut exposed, you can begin to tighten the handbrake cable. Use your wrench to turn the nut clockwise, making small adjustments. After each adjustment, test the handbrake lever. You're aiming for the handbrake to engage firmly within 3 to 5 clicks. It's crucial to check that both rear wheels spin freely when the handbrake is fully released, indicating no drag. Once you're satisfied with the handbrake tension, carefully reassemble the center console trim, ensuring all screws and clips are back in place. Before driving, perform a final test on a slight incline to confirm the handbrake holds the vehicle securely. This ensures your safety and the proper function of your Kia Rio's parking brake. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.